Today's video is rather simple. You're driving along and you'd like to use your cruise control. However, if you have the intelligent cruise control system and the sensor is deemed to be either dirty or obstructed in one of many different ways, the cruise control might not work for you. So I'll show you an example of what happened when I tried to use cruise control some time back. What happens when I hit cruise? Hit cruise. It beeps and tells me to clean the sensor. So yep, can't use cruise control, at least not the intelligent cruise control, until I clean my sensor, right? So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and turn this off for now, because I'm driving, and right, so that's gone away, and I'm gonna hold it for a minute and a half, well, no, a second and a half, right? To go into traditional cruise. So, 1, 2. There you go. And there you go. The clean sensor thing goes away. And right now I can set my cruise control manually, like that. Or not. Nope, it didn't like it. Okay. Let's try it again. Yep, no cruise at all. It doesn't like it. I'm not going to be able to go into my traditional cruise either, or my conventional cruise either, because the sensor's dirty. It's kind of crappy, but oh well, we'll deal with that. Okay, so pretty messy. It's full of snow. As you can tell, I've been driving in the snow in a sudden slush storm. I hope we'll have no problems going forward. After the clip of me cleaning the sensor, it was hard to miss, right? You had a big chunk of ice or snow, frozen snow in front of the sensor. I should be able to set my cruise now. As I said earlier, I have been driving in slush and all that. That's why it got a little messy, but now the road isn't as bad. You can barely see it, but it's pretty clear. So let's try it. Cruise. It's not fine. It works just okay, you know, as usual. Then set it, and we're good to go.